bitch. Yeah.
What up, Memo? See, you got that scat thing, man. I had to go get one. I seen yours. Hit the gas one time. Matter of fact, later on, get with me, man. We can let these things go wild.
I bet stay lit.
Link up. Already.
Fatality.
Love walking out here seeing these babies, man. It's a blessing. Come out your house and see this hard work. Big glow. Okay. Let's see, she gonna dry the stain today. Look at that thing flop. Look at her. Cut it out. Stop playing. Stop playing. We out here today, man. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on today, man. It's about to get loud today. Hey, baby, you hold the camera. Matter of fact, I'll get y'all a cold start. Get y'all a little cold start on this, baby. See what's going on. Dreams come true, baby. I put in a lot of time, work, research, whew, all kind of stuff to get this car, man. I love it, baby. Scatty, Patty. Hold on, let's see this thing, man. Go green on them, you feel me? Sheesh. Dreams do come true, baby. Dreams come true. Hold on now, don't y'all sleep on her now. She got sound too now. Cut it out. It's the eco, but stop playing. Hit the gas. Hit the gas. She a little dirty. Hit the gas for her though. Let me hit that turbo. Let me hit that turbo one more time. Hit it. Let them hit that one time and we gone. They go get this thing loud and proud, you feel me? Ready? Let's get up out of here, man. Finna go pipe this thing up, man. We're a little too quiet, man. And that's alright. We got the little mid muffler delete on here right now. Now it's pretty loud when you do that mid muffler delete. It's pretty cool like that, and you can get away with it. But I need my joint a little bit more louder, you feel me? Let's see what she talking about, man. Get up out of here. Let's see what she talking about. Let's see what she talking about anything. Let's see. You know what I'm saying? They ain't quite it, man. They ain't quite it. What up, fam? Had to get that AC to blowing cold, boy. But yeah, man. Ooh, she's spinning all the what? You can barely push the pedal on that scat. She want to come up out of there, you hear me? But yeah, man, we finna take her up here and put this. I got the mbrp. I think it's the street. Yeah, I got the mbrp street exhaust. I didn't get the race exhaust. It was a little bit more expensive. It come with the resonators not on there. The system I got has high flow resonators on there. So I'm like, shoot, I can save a few $100. Get the one with the resonators. But hell, if it's too quiet, I can just straight pipe the resonators and have the race setup, same as the race setup. So yeah, we out here, man. We're gonna see what the street setup sound like first, and if it ain't loud enough, we going up a gang. You hear me? I'm gonna let y'all, if y'all can pick this sound up. This is with the mid muffler delete on. Woo. Damn, boy, that scat getting nasty, boy. Tell me. Try to hit it one more time before we go down. Get the four with that one. Down shit. Gas. Yeah. Get up out there, boy. Get up out there, boy. Woo. Tell me, boy, that scatty patty, boy. Big glow. Get that down shift. Woo. Just think we about to get more louder, man. We got to go up for the folk, man. This thing gonna eventually go on the track. We're gonna put this thing on the track. All that burning out is cool. I love spinning and all of that. I'm trying to go fast, you feel me? We out here finna hit Walt's radiator. Get this thing piped up, man. Let's go. Shit. Alright, y'all, we done made it up here, man. Let's go ahead and run some numbers, see what they talking about. See what they telling me, flip it. Good way to go down there, man. Big Walt's radiator. That's what it's all about. You feel me? Oh, we keep that thing with it. Ooh. Look how she flip. Alright, we just dropped off, man. We'll be back to get you, boy. Pipe up too, man. Quiet down. Alright, cause she sitting over here, little hubs came with an exhaust on and shit. Flowmaster Outlaw, catback, all that and shit.
They say the best.
Yeah.
For last.
And I got the stock system with a little mid muffler delete. It's alright, we about to pipe up though.
And I'm gonna get something else.
Oh shit. For the time being. Oh no, that was crazy. Yeah, we're going straight to the IHOP. It's nice and quiet in here today. It don't matter. It's quiet in here today. What? So yeah, this is what I get. The confetti. With the cream cheese, icing, and bananas, turkey, bacon, cheese on them. It gritty, not that mean. Should get a little all-star joint. What you got though?
Pork.
Oh no. Oh yeah, man. I'm telling you that they were supposed to drizzle that icing over there. They caked it on there. Too much. We're gonna get some of that off of there, but yeah, 5. Just came back for a little bit, let the squad run. Hold on, don't feed him yet, bro. Go 8 off, man, my boy. Go, mama. Get all out of butt, man. Go, my boy, Louis Vuitton. Yeah. Get all out of butt. G-Lo. Big Glow. I need some footage on you, girl. Get back. Let the folks see you. It's that pretty lilac. That's that micro right there. So we got micro bullies. We got pocket bullies. I even got a French bully. A Frenchy bred to a bully. We got it all out here.
We got something else too.
Oh yeah. Hold on. She said we got something else. Hold up. Okay. Oh. It's feeding time. Let me let these guys. They saying this our boy Fred. Yeah, I said Fred. Ball python. You see him in there? It's time to eat. Oh, baby, get him out the dang guy.
I'm scared.
Oh.
A rat. Yeah, I'm scared.
Come on, man. Put it down.
He crawling back in the bag.
I mean, really, y'all.
I can't get it out.
That cause you scared
Yes,
of nothing.
Good as gone.
Bang.
I told you.
That's
out,
our boy
girl.
Fred. He don't play around when it's time to eat.
Mama dog.
Mama dog looking for that rat.
What
man.
happened?
It's gone already, baby. Cause she will chase a rat, y'all. Yes, she will.
It's gone.
Mama dog will get her.
She know it's in that cage though.
G-Lo.
My girl.
Glow. Hey. What up, Wow? Up.
Hey, my girl. Get
Yeah,
out, Lou.
oh, Lord, Lord, and bless your butt, boy. We'll push her down. Hey. First start off with the new exhaust, man. after that, I took it for a little test drive. Man, hell nah. Put my shit. Fuck that.
Alright, we back up here again, y'all. And vlog yesterday, my husband was not happy with the results he got, so I tricked him and told him, let me drive your car to work, and let's work on back up. Right back up here, getting this fixed for him. Stay tuned. He wanted loud. He's got loud. You wanted it, you got it. You welcome. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, fresh off work. But anything for you, Jesus.
What it is, what it ain't, what it's about to be today, man. Shout out to the wifey. She took the car back and got the pipes fixed, man. Your boy was hella sick. I went and spent all that money on that damn exhaust and that shit was sounding weak. So I wasn't feeling it. Shout out to the wifey when she got me back right. Let's fire this mug. I ain't had it crunk all day. It's hot out this mug though, so I don't even know if it's a true cold store. Let me get some of them pipes back there. Even my neighbors pull up in 392, man. You feel me? Yeah, baby. Yeah. You see it? Yeah, y'all hear them things out here. Y'all hear them things out here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's how it is in the Gotta show my boy some love, man. Heavy. Yeah, you going on YouTube, bro. Shout your Instagram out, man.
This is
what you want?
Turbocharge. Y'all can follow me there anytime.
Y'all hear him, man. Big 1326. Our hood got them scats, man. Uh-oh. So y'all just gonna wrap it up for this one, man. We just brought it down here to get it cleaned up, man. It was big time for that shit. It been rained on 3-4 times. But we got it shined up, got it sounding good, man. Y'all go run up the subscribers, man. I need to get to that 500 subscriber mark, man. Please go subscribe. Hey, we only going one way, and it's gone.